provide an even greater developer experience when using Optro, we've added the ability to test the different license states of your power-ups real-time within Trello. This is a really important part of monetizing your power-up successfully, and the tool within Optro will use the same APIs that are used by all power-ups in the Optro marketplace, so you can be confident that what you see is how it will behave in reality. So let's take an example power-up, and we're going to test the differences between the free and pro license state. In this example, we're going to use notes for Trello, and in previous videos we configured this power-up so that the feature to change colors of notes required a paid or pro subscription. And using the license testing tool, we can switch between the free and the pro plan to make sure that the right feature is locked for those that are on the free plan. So at this point, the power-up is ready to go. All the code has been added, all the testing has been done, and now we just want to test that the free versus pro plan works as it should. This power-up has been added to this demonstration board you can see in front of you, and it's available on the right-hand side. If I click into the show menu option here, you can see notes for Trello. On the right-hand side, I'll see the card button for the notes for Trello power-up. If I click into this, it will display that I'm on the free plan. And what you can see here is that the color changer is not available to me whilst I'm on the free plan. And with the license checker, I can switch this to pro and check that the color changer feature has been correctly unlocked for me. So to do this, I'm going to need to log into my Optro vendor account. Once you're within Optro vendor, navigate to the power-ups tab at the top and select the power-up that you want to test the licensing on. So for this example, I'm going to click into the notes for Trello power-up here. And at the top, you'll see a development tab. If you click into this, this is where the license override or testing feature resides. Now there's some instructions on this page, but halfway down you can see the license overrides section, and underneath you can see a table where you start adding the license overrides. You can have up to 10 overrides per power-up, and to add a new one, you just click on the plus icon here, and you start by giving it a name. So we're just going to call this Demo Board License Test. The next thing you need is your board ID. It's really easy to get this. If you go back to your Trello board, in the web browser address bar, you just need to add .json to the end here and press enter. This will display a lot of information, but all you need is the board ID, and that's in the top left-hand corner here. Take this, copy, and paste it into the field here. And once that's there, just confirm. Now that's been added, you can test the licensing in two ways. First, you can toggle it as active or inactive, or you can use the licensing tier. And as mentioned before, we were on the pro plan on our board originally, and this is now set to pro. You can select free if you wish as well. If I leave this as pro and go back to the board, if I click into a card now, on the right-hand side, I have the notes for Trello power-up. If I click into this, it says I'm on the pro plan, so that's automatically updated straight away. If I click off of this and go back to the development tab, I'll change this to free. If I go back to the board, click in, access the notes for Trello power-up, and I'm on the free plan. So that's a quick walkthrough of the license testing feature. But if you have any questions or want to chat to someone from the Optro team, please reach out to us using the links in the description below. And thanks for watching.